New upgrade operation demo revised and enhanced LV08 Pro. Its computing power can reach 7th or S. The power port is at the back and only one cable is needed. It will power on automatically once the power cable is connected. There is a screen on the front for status display. It displays the device's information and status. Then connect your phone to this Wi-Fi for setup. Find this Wi-Fi in your phone settings and connect to it. It will automatically open the background web page. Once you enter the web page, you can complete the setup on it. Enter your personal Wi-Fi name and password for setup. Once setup is complete, click Save below. Then click Restart. The device will reboot and power on automatically. After powering on, it will automatically connect to the set network. Enter this address in your computer browser to access the device backend for operation. After entering the backend page, you can view the device's running status and parameter information. You can add your other devices here. Then you can manage them all in one place. Set up and switch Wi-Fi connections here. After setup, you need to click Save below. Then click Restart. Click here to configure mining pool information, wallet address, etc. You can enter two addresses, one for the main mining pool and one for the backup mining pool. After setup, you need to click Save below. Then click Restart. This is for adjusting the frequency and voltage of the device. After setup, you need to click Save below. Then click Restart. You can check the log and running status here to see where the problem occurred. After configuration, you can see the hash rate on the device screen. This cover can be opened. Magnetic design. You can lower the operating noise after opening it. Can also clean the radiator fins easily. Can install it easily too. Can just put it on and it will attach magnetically.